100-ton 4-post press. Some of the standard features: pressure gauge, pressure regulator, adjustable speed control, adjustable stroke control, pressure reversal switch. When set pressure is reached, ram will automatically return to home position. Ram travel is guided by 4 precision ground chromed rods. Low pressure jog mode used for simplifying setups. Dual control. Your choice of using: number 1, movable pedestal complete with dual electric palm buttons and extra emergency stop, or number 2, foot pedal. Programmable control system. Quality Baldor motor, low speed. Air-cooled industrial oil cooler for continuous use. All hydraulic and mechanical parts are standard in the industry and available throughout North America. The platen and bed size is 30 by 34. Oversized bushings keeps the 4-post very, very tight and very rigid. A lot of stability. Made right here in North America. We thank you very much for watching this video.